Currently, there's a great exhibition to be experienced in the Adelaide Botanic Gardens. The exhibition of the glass sculptures is on until the 29th of April 2025. It is free to visit during the day. There's a charge to see it lit up at night. Artist Chihuly has developed and created massive architectural glass installations for displaying in botanic gardens. Adelaide is the first city in Australia to host a major garden exhibition by Chihuly, and I hope I'm saying his name correctly. A small request, if you enjoy my videos, please give them a like and subscribe for more content. The Palm House is behind the Sapphire Star. It was prefabricated in Bremen, Germany and shipped flat pack to Port Adelaide in 1875, so well before IKEA. The ironwork survived, but most of the glass shattered, and so it took until 1877 for the glass house to open. It was reported just this week that an Adelaide philanthropist has bought the chandelier and donated it to the Botanic Gardens for it to permanently hang in the Palm House. The 19th century grotto, fashionable at the time and made with fossilised coral from Germany's Black Forest. The glass sculpture Cascade has been a permanent fixture in the Botanic Garden since 1988. It was created by Sergio Redegali, a favourite of mine as I love the way he's captured the movement of the wave. In the background is the Bicentennial Conservatory, built along with quite a few other buildings for the bicentennial in 1988 of European settlement of Australia. Inside the conservatory, the nighttime displays were lit up. Not my photos, so thanks to the friend who sent them to me. The wetlands part of the Botanic Gardens. I really liked the Walla Wallas as they reminded me of Christmas baubles. Another Christmas reminder, this time of the fake Christmas trees you create by poking a branch into a central pole. many talented artists in this big wide world, so why not come out and see this beautiful display in the lovely setting that is the Adelaide Botanic Garden.